Excel's autocorrect feature can speed up data entry by creating shortcuts for words or phrases that you enter often, as well as correcting the spelling of words as you enter them. It can also be used for creating special symbols. I will type a left parenthesis, the letter C, and a right parenthesis. When I press Enter, Excel converts it to a copyright symbol. I will misspell about by typing it with 2 B's. When I press Enter, Excel corrects the spelling. I will misspell totally by typing it with only 1 L instead of 2. When I press Enter, Excel corrects the spelling. I will enter my name starting with a capital A and a capital N. When I press Enter, Excel converts the capital N to a small n. I will type Monday with a lowercase m. When I press Enter, Excel converts the day to start with a capital M. Let's go to the Autocorrect Dialog Box to see what makes these changes. I will right-click on a blank area of the ribbon and then select Customize the ribbon. I will click on Proofing and then click on the Autocorrect Options button. You can see that there is a Replace column and a With column. Whenever you enter something from the Replace column in your worksheet, it will be replaced with what is on the same row in the With column. You can see that there is a left parenthesis, a C, and a right parenthesis in the Replace column. In the same row, there is a copyright symbol in the With column. You can see that the misspelling A-B-B-O-U-T is in the Replace column, and the correct spelling is in the With column. The next word we misspelled was totally. To find a misspelling, just type the incorrect spelling in the Replace column text box. You can see that Excel has assigned the correct spelling to the way we misspelled it. The capitalization for the name Annette was corrected because the option Correct 2 initial capitals is checked. The capitalization for Monday was corrected because there is a check mark in front of capitalized names of days. I will create my own corrections for words that I often misspell. I often misspell the word sophomore. I will enter sophomore in the Replace column text box the way I normally misspell it. I will type the correct spelling for sophomore in the With column text box. I will click the Add button to add sophomore to autocorrect. I don't have a problem actually spelling the word accomplish, but when I type it, I often leave off the second C. I will type it the way I normally type it incorrectly in the Replace column, and I will type it the way it should be in the With column. I will click on the Add button. Next, we look at how we can use autocorrect to create shortcuts for words or phrases. I want to make a shortcut for my name, Annette Slager. I could make a shortcut using the letters A-S, but then when I type the word as, Excel will display my name, so that combination of letters doesn't make a good shortcut. I will instead use my initials, A-F-S, because I probably won't use those letters in that order for anything else. I will enter my name in the With column text box. I will click on the Add button. I will create a shortcut of IEC for my company, Interactive Excellence Corporation. I will click on the Add button. I will create a shortcut of CI for my city address. I will click on the Add button. Now that we have added a couple of spelling corrections and a few shortcuts, it's time to try them out. I will misspell sophomore by leaving out the second O. When I press Enter, Excel corrects the spelling for me. I will misspell accomplish by leaving out the second C. When I press Enter, Excel corrects the spelling for me. I enter my initials AFS and then press the Enter key. My name is displayed. I enter IEC and then press Enter. The company name is displayed. I enter CI and then press Enter. My city address is displayed. Next, we will look at how to make a change to a shortcut and how to delete an autocorrect entry. I will right-click on a blank area of the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. I will click on Proofing and then click on the Autocorrect Options button. I want to change the company name. I will type IEC in the Replace column text box. When I do so, the associated phrase appears at the bottom. I will click on it to select it. I will change the name from Interactive Excellence Corporation to Interactive Excel Corporation. I will click on the Replace button. Excel displays a message informing me that an autocorrect entry for IEC already exists, and it asks me to confirm that I want to redefine it. I will click on the Yes button. I want to delete the entry for the city address. I will type CI in the Replace column text box. When I do so, the associated phrase appears at the bottom. I will click on the Delete button and then on the OK button. I will click on the OK button for the Excel Options dialog box. Now, when I type IEC and press Enter, Interactive Excel Corporation is displayed. Now, when I type CI and press Enter, the text doesn't change because I deleted the autocorrect entry for this shortcut.